In this video, we will be going to tell about how long to microwave milk for hot chocolate. Easy make hot chocolate recipe, so let's start now. Watching the snow sprinkling through the window with a cup of hot cocoa in hand and listening to jazz and blues, the craze never gets older. But what if you don't know how to make hot chocolate with milk in the microwave, or how long to microwave milk for hot chocolate? Such confusions can undo the cold zest and make it tough to enjoy the weather's vitality to the fullest. Don't fret. The guide is for all hot chocolate lovers who hate making it on the stove. We will answer the queries and offer you the yummiest yet stress-free course to make hot chocolate with milk in the microwave, followed by FAQs like how long I microwave the milk for hot chocolate. Let's start the sumptuous warm guide. Can you microwave milk for hot chocolate? Yes. There is nothing wrong with microwaving milk for hot chocolate. In fact, it is much more undemanding and convenient. Keep standing near the stove and waiting for milk to boil looks like blood, sweat, and tears, especially when making just 1 cup. So it seems the perfect option to subside the uphill struggle and go with brewing hot chocolate with milk in the microwave. Thankfully, it will never emasculate the taste. However, it also depends on how long do you microwave milk for hot chocolate. But does hot chocolate mix form clumps during making through the microwave? It might, but we have tricks to keep it from clumping in the lines coming ahead. But for now, let's answer your other query, how long to microwave milk for hot chocolate? Between 60 and 90 seconds. You can microwave milk before or after adding the ingredients. It is up to you. If you want to heat it up without the formation or curdles, keep it slow and stir on the way. It may take a little longer as a whole, but it is worth waiting. However, another study answers this query of how long to microwave milk for hot chocolate differently. Between 60 to 120 seconds. However, this all depends upon which microwave appliance you are using and your personal taste for hot chocolate. If you like it too hot, you can heat it for a little longer, and if you like it mildly warm, microwave it for less time. However, the discussion on how long to microwave milk for hot chocolate doesn't end here. We will tell you when and how to add ingredients to the hot chocolate while making it in the microwave. How to heat milk for cocoa to avoid clumping. For this, first, you will have to find out which milk you are using, frozen, condensed, soy, or room temperature one. Glossaries and expert baristas prefer to use room temperature milk rather than refrigerated milk because they believe it tastes better. So when using room milk, here is how you do it. 1 cup of room temperature milk should be microwaved for 40 to 45 seconds at high heat, 100%.